What's going on? This is my 2017 Charger SXT. I'm just going to show y'all how I install these nice louvers I got. Came packaged in this cardboard box, plastic around it. There's a few scratches on it, but you know, nothing serious. It's gonna be on the outside of the car, so I'm not worried about it. These little brackets right here, double-sided tape, 3M tape already on it. But I've heard that you need to buy some different kind of tape. I guess be stronger or whatever. Came with a little foam vibration strips, keep the rattling and stuff going. That's pretty much what it looks like right there. Pretty much slide that in there. Double-sided tape down, and you screw those in. And whenever you want to wash it or whatever, to wash your back glass, you just unscrew them, and it'll still be, the brackets will still be stuck to the glass, and then just reattach by screwing them back on. So we'll get started on that. I've already washed the back glass, you know, with some chemical guys, just some regular soap, nothing major. It's drying right now, so. And I also have some alcohol spray that I got from doing my tail lights from them. So you see that. That's just gonna help, you know, with all the grease and dirt, stuff like that, before I actually attach it to the window. So we'll get started on that. Pretty sturdy. Up here you got some play, but with that foam tape, with the foam tape pretty much in all the void spaces, so you don't hear no rattling, but for the most part it's pretty sturdy. You gonna be hearing no rattling while you're driving. I like it. Next project, about to go through the car wash. It's all touch-free laser wash, so I'm not really worried about it. Only part I'm worried about is the dryer. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna just pull out before it dries, but we'll see in a second. Already got it in dry to make sure. Not too bad. It's not flexing as much as I thought it was going to be. So I survived. It was flexing quite a bit that last pass, but I mean, they held up pretty good from what I can see now, so we'll get out and check real quick.